Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my first video for the new year. Happy New Year to all of you guys. So today, as you can see, I did the rubber band method, all braided down. I didn't want to start my hair without showing you because some people have a problem, you know, with people not showing their braiding patterns. So I decided to show you guys before I start doing my hair. So I just braided everything down, but it's just the rubber band method. And I also use oil for the rubber band so you won't cut my hair. So this is what I did. So it's just braided down as usual, nothing connected or anything like that. So just very simple. So as you guys know, I purchased this hair last week, almost 2 weeks ago. It was $6 for $5, and my local beauty supply was less than $1 a pack. So I bought 6 of these, you know, cozy X-Pression hair in the color 1. That was the only color they had. I guess they had too much of it, so they were selling it 6 for $5. So that's what I will be using today. And basically I had it out of the pack like this, and it's 23 or 24 strands in one pack. So this is how the hair is looking, you know. So when you first pick it up, this is how the loop is looking, but you can open it up like that, and then you can, you know, you can separate the hair if you want to. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna do that. I think I am going to separate the hair. And you can always use mousse to get the curls back to its normal state. So yeah, so don't worry for the frizzy and all of that. It's part of synthetic hair a lot. So when I separate the hair, this is how the two strands are looking. Okay, so I'm just going to, I may need like 2 packs or maybe 2.5 packs since I decided to split the hair in half. So I don't know how's that gonna work, how many hair I'm going to need of packs basically. So I'm gonna take my hair, open it up, and then you can do it 2 times like I did, or 3 times, whichever way is what's the name for you is fine. But I'm gonna be using 2. Okay, make sure your latch is closed when you're ready to put your latch into your hair. Make sure it's closed, because if not, it's going to literally pinch your scalp when it's going in, like it just happened to me just now. So yeah, so you take this loop like this, put it in, and then pull. Okay, just like that. So yeah, so that's the rubber band method. So again, if you didn't see that, I'm going to stretch the hair like this, and then separate the hair into 2, and then use the hair. Like I said, when I'm done, it's gonna give me a lot of frizziness, you know, but that's okay. When I'm done, I can take care of that with mousse and everything else like that. So don't worry. So that is how this hair is looking. So I'm going to do this off camera. I just want you guys to see the braiding pattern and what I'm going to be doing. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I will come back once I'm all like right to the, you know, the top of my head and everything else. So I'll be watching TV then and so on and so forth. So I'll see you guys. Okay. Hey guys, so I am back again this morning to show you guys. So I really didn't feel like come back on camera and show you guys what I have been doing since I left the camera. So yeah, when I said I will be back, but you know, your girl fell asleep while doing her hair. So this morning, only got few left to do, you know, right here at the front. So I'm loving this hair, y'all. This hair is so bouncy, very soft, and very, very curly. Okay, curly. I think I had an amazing deal from the beauty supply store the other day, and I am so happy I'm using this hair. And I split the hair into two, but you can do more than two if you want to. So I got all this puffiness, but if you are not a fan of big hair, do not open it, you know, because once you do, you're gonna have big hair like me. Okay, so this is the middle part that I left right here. I got a couple of them right here that I want to fill in that I said I will show you. It's nothing different. It's not invisible method. It's just the same method that I use to do my whole entire head. So yeah. So basically what I do, I take my shea butter. It's already on my channel, so check that out as well. So I will take my shea butter like this, and then put it on the hair like that, and then open the hair into two parts like this. Okay, like this, and then take your needle closed. Okay, let me bring you closer. So take your needle again, put it in, take the hair, put it through, and then take your hair, 1, 2, and then pull, and then you can tie as a knot. Okay, so that's what I did right here. Okay, that is all that I did. I hope you saw that. And yeah, if I see any spot, don't mind this part right here. It's just the way I braided the front of my hair. So I don't want it to be too bulky if I had hair right here. So yeah, I don't want it to be too bulky. But so far this is how my hair is looking. I have no plans of cutting this hair because I have so many plans for it. So I am not cutting this hair at all. I like the curly wavy thing that it's giving me, so I don't want to lose that pattern of the hair by cutting it or anything like that. So I'm not even gonna do nothing with it, like I said. So what I have been doing, I use my shea butter. Like I said, it's already on my channel, and I also use my 100% castor oil, hemp oil for hair, skin, body treatment. I use that on my hair as well. So I just go down like this and just oil my scalp like that. and then go over it with the oil as well. That's what I have been doing, you know. So I go back, and this oil, y'all, is so thick. It's so thick. So that's what I have been doing throughout my whole entire head, you know. So alright, so next I'm gonna show you guys how I do my edges. Y'all already know. So I'm using this um, cream of nature argan oil, perfect edges black. Y'all know I usually use the charcoal powder, but today I'll be using this as well. I just wanted to show you how beautiful this hair came out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This one right here trying to misbehave, y'all. Yeah, let me know if you like this hair. Like I said, this hair is still fresh, and like my face ain't lit, and it's all right. The most important thing is the hair, and I'm liking it, you know. So, and I love it, and I just liking it. I love it. So, yes, guys. So let me know what you think down below. Did I do a good job? And yeah. Bye. Like I said, Happy New Year to you guys. Watch out for them videos, y'all. Bye.